Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see it has some features with variable fillets. The name is frontal propeller and the drawing is here. We start by creating the disk. Dimensions are 70, 50, 60, 40, 10, and 250. Okay, let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane. We start with some lines. I go right here because I want to have collinear lines, these two. When I move this, to be moved also the other. This is center line and dimensions are 250, and we scale all the sketch. This is 70, 50, 30, and 10. Good. Revolve. Okay. Then we place a hole of 40, hole not threaded through all, face, axis, and 40. We apply fillets of radius 2. Do not forget, this is 2 by default, and this is also 2 millimeters. Okay. This is the propeller, and this is the blade of the propeller. We have to create this blade. We have a section here or here and a curve. What is the tool for creating this? The tool is sweep, my friends. Dimensions are interesting. You see 40 radius 3.5 and the diameter of 110 for this end, for this, yes, and this is the profile. Then we have to consider this arc or this arc, better this one, what cover 120 degrees. Yes, this starts from diameter of 110 and goes to this point at 120. We create a plane here, then we place this profile, then we create an arc with the 120 degrees dimension. This arc is perpendicular on this line, my friends. Yes, this arc is perpendicular on the face. This is why we don't have a radius here. Good. Let's do this. We create a plane based on XY plane and the axis X. Then we rotate this plane to place it at 90 plus 30. We have to place here 60 degrees. Yes. We use this plane for a new sketch. F7, and we start from this line down, then keep pressed the left button, not so, but just to the bottom, down here, and we end the arc and we go up. This dimension to here is 40. The radius 3.5. And this distance is half of 110. Finish sketch, and first stage is okay. We hide this plane and we create a new sketch on this face. I draw a line to the circle, from the center point to the circle. This line is from other sketch. Now I project this line and this line. Now I have a point here to start that arc. Dimension is 120 here, and I place an arc starting from this point and going to this point to apply perpendicularity. I use this constraint. Okay, this is a construction, and we have now the two necessary condition, this profile and this arc. Sweep, I select this, then I select this curve. Okay. Now we have to eliminate this small area. So I create a new sketch, finish, and extrusion the other direction all the way through. Okay. Now we have to apply this variable fillet. Here is 5 and here is 25. Let's see the drawing. You see here 25 is BB and this is here with radius 5 to both sides. Yes, this is 5, this is 5, this is 15 and this is 25. We activate the fillet tool and the option add variable radius fillet. We select the edge. Both ends are 2 millimeters. This is emphasized, so I place here 25. The other is 5. Good. Plus, now I go to the other edge, this one, and both are 5 millimeters. This is okay, and it is emphasized or highlight, and the other must be 15. Okay. Now we try to multiply this last features by using circular pattern. There will be a problem now. We select this, which is this. We select this, which is this. We select the extrusion, and now you see we must use this. I continue for you to see, but this is not okay. What is the axis? This is the axis. 3 times that feature. And now take a look here. The hole has disappeared. Yes, it was placed too earlier. We cannot move this beyond this last circular pattern. The only solution is to move here the solution is to forget this, to cut it, delete, to also eliminate the hole, and I prefer now to change the sketch by adding a simple line here with a diameter of 40. Finish sketch, and now to double click on this, because we have to select only external contour. Yes, okay. Now we can apply our circular pattern by selecting 1, 2, 3, including this, but the hole is there. The axis is this, 3 times the features, and now the hole is present. The order of features in the browser is important. Now we had a good possibility to change that hole and to eliminate a feature. This is always useful, but in other cases I don't know what to say. You will decide when you will meet such kind of situations. Okay, the next feature and the last is this keyway of 10 with 25. We select this face, we place a rectangle with dimensions of 10 tab 25. We place this midpoint over the center point, finish sketch, extrude with cut all the way. Okay, now everything is placed in position. We can verify the volume. Eye properties, physical, update. We select this, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. A small difference, not important. I eliminate the previous volume and I keep this one because this is what we did here. I go to the material, steel carbon, and view default lights. We compare the two and we don't see anything. The problem is with other interpretation of the tools in Inventor. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.